Namaskar. Today's topic of my talk is omega-3 fatty acid. Is it really helpful for your hair health, for your health, and what are the natural sources, means maybe vegetarian and non-vegetarian sources. In one line I'll say omega-3 fatty acid rejuvenate your cells, increase the longevity of the cell, prevent the aging of the cell, so it is helpful in at all level. Basic mechanism, it is increasing the health of a cell, making cell more stronger, preventing the decay, early death of the cell. So if your cells, and the cell makes the entire body, all the organs, all the system, so it's beneficial in all aspects. Now we talk, what is this? Omega-3 fatty acid has got 3 types of amino fatty acids which are very good for your every cell. How they work? Detailed mechanism I will not tell you, it's difficult because it's a chain of reaction. The harmful chain of reactions, inflammatory cascades, it prevents, it reduces the oxidative stress of the cell. Oxidative stress of the cell causes damage to the cell, means the toxic metabolites which causes harmful effect of the cell. These omega-3 fatty acids, which has got 3 types of acids, they control that mechanism. So the damage to the cell by the toxic metabolites is reduced by these omega-3 fatty acid, which is called as reduction in the oxidative stress, or it reduces the release of harmful chemical. For health, here it is beneficial because of some triggering agent like DHT, other toxic effects. There is a damage in the hair follicle in the form of inflammation, swelling, again oxidative stress, and this omega-3 fatty acid will control that. So that's how omega-3 fatty acids control your hair fall. It's good for the hair health, and it is good for your heart, and it is good for your skin, prevent the sunburn also. So in many ways it is. Then how it is used? You can consume the capsule, and you can also mix them in your coconut oil or other oil and apply over the hair or the body. So what are the sources? The sources of omega-3 fatty acids, the main source is the non-vegetarian, means fish. The richest source is the fish, cod liver oil, we all know that. But many because of the various reason or religious reason, they don't want to take this fatty acid which has come from animal. So what are the vegetarian sources? Vegetarian source of this is the richest is your alsi ka oil, flaxseed oil capsule or flaxseed oil has got omega-3 fatty acid, and it is beneficial for you. Nowadays, the capsules of flaxseeds are available. They have omega-3 fatty acids. Also, omega-3 fatty acid is found in pumpkin seed oil also. So these are the vegetarian source. Non-vegetarian natural source is your fish oil, codfish liver oil. These are the good source of omega-3 fatty acids. You can consume them either twice a week, thrice a week, even some people are consuming every day in the form of capsule. They can take it. It is good for your heart, it is good for the health of your vessels, it controls the atherosclerosis, it is good for your skin, and it is good for your hair as well. Thank you very much.